Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really special for you, an age-old remedy that's been a game changer for countless people. We're talking about Grandma's secret recipe for conquering the most persistent cold. Let's jump right in. You know, there's something truly magical about the wisdom of our grandmothers. They knew just what to do to keep us healthy, and this recipe is no exception. It's like a natural superhero for your immune system. Now, let's get to the fun part, making this fantastic onion tea. It's quick, easy, and oh so soothing. Trust me, you'll thank us later. Here is the recipe for preparing onion tea. 1. The simplest recipe is to add 2 medium-sized onions to 1 cup of boiling water and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. After finishing, pour it into a glass and flavor it with honey and lemon. If you have raw honey, it is best to add it after the drink has cooled to a suitable drinking temperature, as this will not harm the beneficial substances in the honey and the honey will become an even stronger remedy. 3. Before adding the onion to the water, clean it well, but do not completely remove the skins, as it is important to boil them together with the honey. As this tea simmers away, get ready for the amazing flavors and benefits that are about to infuse together. Trust me, you're in for a treat. But wait, there's more. Stick around because we're about to take things up a notch with our incredible onion syrup. It's a bit of a wait, but let me tell you, it's totally worth it. This is how you prepare onion syrup. 1. First, buy a small container. 2. Take the onion and slice it into rings. 3. Place 3 to 4 slices on the bottom of the container and cover them with enough honey to be submerged. Repeat the layering until the container is full. The amount of onion depends on the size of the container. For this purpose, you can use several small glasses. 4. When you're done, set aside the ingredients to mature. This will take approximately 8 to 12 hours. If you prepare it in the evening, you can leave it overnight and eat it the next morning. Either by itself with a teaspoon or mixed into warm tea. Voila! Look at this golden goodness. Our grandma's secret onion syrup is ready to take on any cold that dares to come your way. Trust me, this stuff is like magic in a jar. Alright, folks, that's a wrap on this amazing grandma-approved remedy. Don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And of course, if you want more awesome content like this, be sure to hit subscribe. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.